10 years craft inheritance builds a perfect quality. China Yunnan Roly Industry Company, specializing in the production of household vacuum cleaner, commercial vacuum cleaner, industrial vacuum cleaner, pool vacuum cleanser, and other cleaning supplies. The perfect cleaning functions originates from our persistent pursuit to the performance of cleansers, follows the actual needs of customers, and improves the performance of products timely. Continuously expands the functional fields of products and ameliorates every detail, making the functions and features of products into the full play. Every detail, whether inspection of raw materials, production process, or the re-examination of products. Even tiny details in every production procedure, which may affect the actual use, are always the concerns of Roly. Roly applies international strict inspection techniques so as to enable the products to be perfect. Each product from Roly experienced by time and technology. The modifications of each small procedures and improvement of every technology, a new breakthrough. Roly actively carries out strict production and management system, takes the social responsibilities of BSCI. Furthermore, has obtained international certifications like CE, GS, ROSE, SAA, CB, ETL. The requirements of customers are always the targets pursued by us. Every order will be exactly fulfilled, exhausts our ability to transfer a reliable product to every dealer in time. Upholding the promise, we will actually and organically integrate the performance of products and immediate needs of customers. Let Roly products be most capable helper to the dust removal from industrial workplaces and family. Enjoy cleaning. Enjoy Roly.